Hello guys, welcome back to HG Subhash English channel. Today topic my is how to motivate to learn English language. If you want to motivate and long time, if you want to motivate to learn English language, so please watch this video completely till end. So let's get start the video. My dears, if you want to learn English language, so please to identify your niche. You need to identify your vision. You need to identify your objective. You need to identify your dream. You need to identify yourself. Why do you want to learn English language? My dear, there are many person they only learn to English language because they know very well because am I learning this language because I want to learn this language. That's my purpose, because I want to achieve success. I want to get good job in company. I want to get this company promotion, so I am learning this language. If you have this vision, if you have this clearly, if you have this clarity things about your vision, if you have clarity about your vision, if you have clarity about your objective, so you can learn this language. My dear guys, there are many person don't know why do I want to learn this language. If you know these things, I know because I want to become a good IS officer. I want to become a good collector. I want to become an engineer. So you can learn English language. So you can learn English language. My dear guys, first time you need to the only little bit sentence. If you know little bit sentence as well as who are you, who am I, what are you doing, my dear, then you need to utilize little bit sentence. Then you can learn English language. My dear guys, if you are motivated, if you are passionate to learn English language, then you can learn English language. If you are is a very confident person, if you are very if you are very great person, if you want to very confident person, you can talk anyone person, so you can learn English language. You need to communicate many people. If you discuss about many group, then learn English language. My dear, don't use Hindi language. If you want to learn English language really, so don't discuss in Hindi language. You need to discuss you need to discuss in English language. If you discuss in English language on a holiday, then one day you can learn English language. If you practice on a holiday 1 hour, so you can learn English language. My dear, first time if you want to really learn English language, so please passionate your goal. You need to passionate your vision, then you can learn English language. My dear, as my experience, because I have to more practice and English language, so then I learn English language. You can learn English language, then start to practice front of many people. So thanks for watching my video guys.